Hey everybody, Mike Pfeiffer. I'm trying to do a experimental video more than anything really, but it's a video with my phone, recently acquired phone, and just show you guys something that Robin was working on and hope this goes well. Okay, I just got done mowing the yard and I'm going to take you over here. Many of you in previous videos had seen Robin working on her castle. And here's the finished product. It's sitting on top of a stump that was an old mulberry tree that was removed years ago. The tree had that ivy growing on it, and the ivy continues to take over the stump. But here's the finished product of what Robin has done. Let me get a little closer here. You can see that she had bought some fairy items when we were in Salt Lake City, and she has added them to this. The cuttings that are in there look awful wilted because she's trying to get them to root. This used to have water flowing down that this thing up here, and it was pumped up there, and it was kind of cool. I mean, we used to watch it, but anyway, it gave out, and it had lights in it and all kinds of stuff. But we have now turned it into, or she has turned it into, I didn't have anything to do with it really, she has turned it into a planter box, and it now sits out here in its new location. By the way, there's a barrel. Yeah, I think you can see the edge of it. There's a barrel on top of the stump there. But that's the finished product, and she's extremely happy with it, and I think it looks awesome. And hope you enjoyed this little video of her project. And by the way, right down here we have some kind of critter. We've never had critters. I don't know what it is, but I'm actually surprised that she has not found it yet. Emma, hi. Can you say hi? Emma, can you say hi? So anyway, that's a little update on Emma and on Robin's project and my first video using the phone. And I appreciate you guys watching.